So hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss about our Python project, which is a game. Simply, it is runs in only terminal. So I run this code. So I drag and drop the terminal to here. So it basically asks few of the questions and gives according to that prices. So you can see 100 rupees, 200 rupees like that. So I enter the input. So who is Shah Rukh Khan? So we know he is actor. So enter 3 and press enter. This says you want 100 rupees. So next we enter the answers correctly. So which is Paris. So second option. If you enter the wrong key like wrong answer also. So I enter which is known as red planet. I enter Earth. So it will end and say end the Python program. Like it says the correct answer is option 3. Better luck next time. So I rerun the program again. So uh, from the start, it is um, asking the questions. So I again enter 3 and I again enter 2 and the red planet is known as Mars, I think so. So 3. You can see here, guys. You can see the prices are distributed according to this uh, array. According to this array, the prices are given. So you can see the prices are displayed to the user. So here are the questions. So the questions are asking the user one by one and printing the uh, output. So that's all about this video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.